Okay, here we have selected. Here is the game machine file. Here is the object selected. We create a new state. We call it init state. We can choose also a color for the state. Okay, the init state is performed at start. Start is a global transition that is fired, a global state, the global event that is fired just when the game machine starts, just when the object is created and its finite state machine starts. We will explain later some of this, but in this init state we had a AI character AI create character action. We create this action just create a character for the AI system. So now the AI system knows that this soldier is an AI agent. Okay, also we make AI agent. Okay. We refresh. Perfect. Every state, when it has finished all the actions inside it, fires a finished event. In this case, the AI create character action is orange, so is an action that is performed only one time, so the state suddenly finished. So we can add finished action and then create a new state we called, for example, work state. For example, we can make the init state pass to work state when it receives the finished event. No, work, idle state. Okay. The idle state performs the standby animation. So if now I apply, the soldier will perform the standby animation. Okay, we can also click on show simulation button to see how the finite state machine is performed by the character. Yeah, so when I click on apply, I see the first state is the init state, and then it suddenly passes to idle state, perform the animation. We save the finite state machine. Now we are in idle state. What we want the soldier make? We want the soldier work for reaching a place of the scene, a point we we add the point, an helper. We add an helper object here. Okay, so we want the soldier to reach that point. Okay, so first thing we have to do is to compute a path for that point. We compute the path into the idle state. So we add AI find the path. AI find the path. Okay. The AI find the path must be performed only one time. We compute only one time the path and then follow it in another state. Okay, what is target? We have to compute the path for reaching helper object. So our target point must be the position of the helper object. So before computing the path, we have to store the position of helper 01 into a vector3 variable. So we add a variable target position of type vector3. Okay, we store inside that vector3 the position of the helper object performing the get object position action. The output is target position. Action must be performed only one time and must be performed in word space. This means that the position of the helper object must be in word space. Okay, then we can add the find path action only one time for reaching target position point. I forget to specify the object position that we must retrieve. I have to select helper 01. So in this case we have retrieved the helper 01 position, word space position, stored it inside target position variable, and find the path to target position. Okay. Now we have to fire an event for another state we call work state, in which the soldier will perform the work for reaching the helper 01 position. Okay, so we fire an event with the send event action. Send event action must be performed only one time with a delay of, for example, 2 seconds. We can make this, but also we can make in another way. We can add timer action. Timer action fire an event, for example event wonder, after a given time. In this case the soldier remains inside the idle event until 3 seconds are passed. After 3 seconds the timer action fire an event called wonder, so we can add a wonder transition. Wonder transition, wonder, and go to the walk state. Okay, so in this case after 3 seconds the soldier go to the walk state. Make a try. Three seconds idle to walk. Again 1, 2, 3, yeah, walk. Okay.